Today we'll discuss about the surface marking of the heart, the right border of the heart, left border of the heart, apex of the heart, bicuspid valve auscultation, tricuspid valve auscultation, as well as the two pulmonary and aortic valves are the semilunar valves. Let us continue. Usman.
Hello everyone, I am Usman. So we are discussing the borders of the heart. So it is a 2D marking. We are not discussing about any space. So we will not have any boundaries. We are discussing about the borders. So first of all, 1.5 centimeters away from the sternum.
This is the junction between manubrium and body of the sternum. This is the sternal angle or angle of Lewis. Okay,
1.5 centimeter away
1.5 centimeter away from the sternum.
1.5 centimeter. Yeah. 1.5 centimeter away
Away
from the
sternum. At
Sternum.
that level, sternal angle.
Lower border of second costal cartilage.
Yes, lower border of second costal
Mark the
cartilage.
first point.
Okay.
Now 2 centimeter away from the median line on the third rib. 2 centimeter away. Third rib. If we join these 2 points, we get the superior border.
Superior border.
Now coming down, third rib, fourth, fifth, and the sixth rib. Mark a point 2 centimeter away from the median plane. If we join these 2 points
That will be
with a slight convexity, that will become the right border of the heart.
right border of the
Now locating
convex.
with a slight convexity.
Okay.
Now locating the apex beat from the median plane 9 centimeter away in the fifth intercostal space. Fifth intercostal space.
9
9 centimeter away from the median plane. Here lies the apex beat. If we join the third point with this point, that makes the inferior border of the heart. And joining these 2 points makes the left border of the heart. And for the auscultation is listening to the heart sounds using a device such as stethoscope for medical diagnosis. Now we generally, anatomically speaking, all the valves lie behind the sternum, but for auscultation we prefer the sound produced by the blood flow. Since to hear the auscultation of mitral valve, we prefer the fifth intercostal space, that is apex beat. And now for the semilunar valve, we prefer the second intercostal space 2 centimeters from the median plane, where lies the arch of aorta, and 2 centimeters away from the median plane we hear the pulmonary valve to the left side.
To the left side.
And in the fourth intercostal space, fourth intercostal space, we hear the behind the sternum we hear the tricuspid valve.
Tricuspid valve. Apex will consider for the apex beat we consider
For the mitral valve.
valve. So that's complete. So actually there should be skin for surface marking, but since we have already done dissection, even the skin flaps and extra intercostal muscles were removed. We are doing this. Ideally this should be done with entire body, and the skin is also there. Every landmarks are there. Nipple and areola are there. But since we don't have any other opportunity, we are doing it like this. Okay. Thank you.